So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another one of my favorite recipes that I like to use when I'm on a high-fat, moderate amount of protein, low-carb diet. Now, I'm doing a series of videos that are going to show you exactly which foods I'm using to help me achieve my fat loss goals, and I'll link them down below. Now, one of my favorite foods to eat on a high-fat diet is tuna fish. Now, tuna fish is not high in fat. However, I like to add mayonnaise to my tuna fish, and mayonnaise is high in fat. I don't like to use store-bought mayonnaise because of the type of oils that they use, and I don't have control over the ingredients that they use. So it makes it the perfect recipe for me to make at home. I can control the type of oil that goes into the recipe, and I can make sure that it's a nice, healthy fat. So it makes it perfect for my fat loss goals. It's quick and easy. Now let's get into the video.
Okay, this recipe calls for 1 egg, white distilled vinegar, Dijon mustard, avocado oil, pepper, salt, and I like to use a tall, slender container. And ideally speaking, you just want the container to be wide enough to hold the immersion stick. And as you can see, the immersion stick fits perfectly into the container. Okay guys, so it's important to mention that these ingredients have to be at room temperature. We're going to add 1 egg, and then we're going to add 1 cup of oil, but make sure the oil is poured into the container really slowly. Now we're going to add a ½ teaspoon of the Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of the white distilled vinegar, and then we are going to wait 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to place the immersion blender stick into the container, making sure that it reaches the bottom where it touches the egg. Then I'm going to hold the container still and turn on the immersion blender and blend until the bottom becomes thick. And as it starts to thicken at the bottom, then I will slowly pull the immersion blender out, making sure that it's all blended evenly together. And now I'm going to take the immersion blender out, and there you have it, mayonnaise that's nice and creamy. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's the perfect consistency. Now I'm going to transfer the mayonnaise into a separate container that I'm going to store in the refrigerator. I think this is better than any mayonnaise you're going to find in the store because you have more control over the ingredients that you're putting into it, as well as the quality of oil you're using. Now you're going to salt to taste, pepper to taste, and then you're going to mix them in well. And there you have it, nice, fresh, homemade mayonnaise. And then we're going to put our lid on, and we're done. Easy peasy.
Okay guys, so that's the homemade recipe that I like to use. It's quick and it's easy, and I know exactly which ingredients are going into it. If you make your own mayonnaise at home, comment down below and let me know what type of oil you use. Okay guys, that's all that I have for you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.